In this video, I'll show you how to empty trash on your Android phone, step by step. Emptying trash regularly helps free up storage space and keeps your phone running smoothly. This works for photos, videos, and files in apps like Google Photos, Files by Google, and other Android apps. First, open the app where your deleted files are stored. For Google Photos, tap the Library tab at the bottom and select Trash. Here, you'll see all deleted photos and videos stored for up to 30 days. To permanently delete them, tap Select, choose the items, and then tap Delete Permanently. Confirm your choice to empty the trash. Once the trash is emptied, your storage space will increase and the deleted items cannot be recovered. That's it. That's how you easily empty trash on Android to free up storage and keep your device optimized. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.